Alright, so I just came out of the field. I was out there bush hogging, and I came out because my horn started honking, and it was going on. Well, apparently when this thing starts to get hot, not after it's overheating, but once it starts getting hot, it sounds an alarm if you're not looking at the gauges. So that was pretty cool. But what it is, I mean, this thing was covered, you know, I'm mowing pretty high fields, and you can look right there, look at that, all over the radiator clogged. Yeah, not very good, is it? That's not good at all. And actually that looks like a screen before it even gets to the radiator. So actually that's really cool. So they got this little screen on here. I don't know if you can see it, separation right there. And it actually got little grooves there, you can slide it out. So it looks like if I take that air breather off, I could just slide that screen off and wash it. But first, I'm gonna try out this little fan and brush, see if I can get it all cleaned off real quick. If that didn't work, I'll see about taking, looks like it should be pretty easy, it's just the air intake. Look. And then there's a hose over there. So I should be able to just possibly lift that. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Right back. All right, now I didn't get down in there, but it still did a pretty good job wherever I could reach. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm satisfied. But it did make me think, hey, here's a rear intake. If this is that bad, imagine it's sucking the air in. Imagine how much is in here. So let's pop this open and see if it's good or bad. There we go. It's hard to do one-handed. It's also hard to put a tripod here if anybody's curious. Well, this actually looks a lot better than I thought it might, so I was happy with it. I'm still gonna blow this out from the inside. I'll put the air in the middle and blow it so this blows out. That way you're not blowing into the filter. I don't know, if I'm wrong, tell me. But that's what we did overseas. We'd always take our air filters out once a week because of all the dust and blow them out. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. All right, well, I'm gonna blow this out, put it back together, and we should be good to go. But yeah, definitely something you need to be checking more often. Don't forget about it when you're out there bush hogging or doing any kind of field work. Dust, dirt, pollen, it all gets collected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good one. If anybody's wondering, this is a RK25. I don't know if I ever said that. Rural King. It's like a TYM clone that they sell or whatever. Yeah. So, all right, there's that.